Hi everyone, this will be my first video and it's going to be an unboxing. That's the package and the items I ordered from Yogi's Closet. I got two items. One is the Louis Vuitton in its original box, and the other one is Chanel. So the first one is a 6-ring key holder in monogram canvas. And I'm so excited to use this. Looks pretty new. The next one is Chanel, and when I saw this from somebody else's video, I just fell in love, and so I had to get this. I don't have any black bag that is appropriate for kind of semi-formal, formal occasion, and so when I saw this from somebody else's video, I'm just in love. Okay, let me just, it's taped, so I have to slice off the tape there. It's tape on this side as well. Okay, so that's that. It's a huge box. There you go. This is a beautiful bag. I love this. This is in caviar leather in gold hardware. And this is the one with shoulder strap. And this will be good for, you know, a day bag or a night out as well. But I like this for kind of like a semi-formal, formal occasion. Like if you're going on a business trip or something, not like I have a business or anything like that, but or if you're going for an interview or something like that, job interview. Okay, so this is it, and I'm so happy, and it's another addition to my Chanel collection. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.